smile, and then you can also. Here, we're gonna open up this camera. Got 2 cameras on us. Yay!
3 cameras.
3 cameras. Well, this is close up, so you can edit it all together. Alright. So, opening up the Hamama. Hello, everybody. Oh, you know what? I just realized I changed my angle. This camera over there, too. So, did we already? Oh, did you bring a knife?
Supposed to?
Okay, wait, be right back. Okay, well, we're going to pause for a second while he runs and goes and gets the knife to open this. I wanted to say that we're going to put an affiliate link down below, which has the Hamama link to it, and we highly recommend you, if you get it, that you please use our link so that we can get maybe a few pennies, and then maybe I can get some more seeds, so buckets and stuff, just if it works. So we think that it will. Oh, at least I'm hopeful that it will, because all my other ways of doing it, I'm one of those lazy gardeners and I forget about things. So this was a treat somebody got us for us, and we're very excited. We're hoping that you will get one too. Try it out. If you do, that you will use our link. Oh, you know what? I just realized. Okay, so we're gonna do this again because I forgot to have a zoom in camera. We're gonna pretend. Okay. We're gonna pretend to open this up so we can zoom.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, do it so the angle's back there. That is pretty. You know what? I don't think I even needed to get the. This is probably extra. You'd probably only need it if you want pretty wood on your mantle, which was unnecessary for us. We could have made it. We should have made it. But I wanted to see what it was like. Hey, if anybody's out there, check your posture. Body listening time. Make sure you got good posture. And you can see the box right there. And that.
Thank you.
Right there. That is cute. I like that. Distracted by our neighbor that moves so slowly across. It's just like, ooh. And then she stops. She stops there. And she just waits for fun. We don't, oh, that's right. She's checking inside. And I mean, I've done that too because I'm curious to see what's inside people's homes, but just every day, 10 times a day she does this. Anyway. Alright, no more talking about our neighbor. Let's open this. Okay. Let's open. Congratulations on your gift from Hamama. We're so happy you'll be growing with us. Yeah, we're excited too. Alright. We got a choice of zesty mix, daikon radish, energizing kale, fenugreek, wasabi mustard,
super salad mix, sweet wheatgrass, whitey broccoli, refreshing cabbage, and earthy clover.
And then there's pictures on the side. Oh, different recipes. Oh, and there's even more information. Wow, they really make tons of information. 100% recycled. This is good.
Fill.
This is benefit.
Fill the tray with water, and then you place the seed-filled TM in tray, and then you press it down to evenly wet it. Then If
Please don't hit me for this because you can't see crap in this way.
if the seeds rip up the cover to spread away, right? Then you take off what they ripped off, and if the sprouts puff up the
Well, they can watch
seed
the
film, right?
Hamama video shows that basic video of how it works. So we watch the video, we'll hopefully figure it out. So let's go to the next part of opening this up. Oh, that's so cute. They say, your Hamama crew loves you. Enjoy your growing. And a big smile. I like that. Thank you. I like it when the companies like do the extra effort of.
Are you sure attach the
It might be pre-printed.
I'm pretty sure it's even every single one that's the same.
It's still a nice
But still,
thing.
it's a cute idea.
I like it. Oh, I just realized what this is. I was like, why is this long thing long? And it's because this is the tray.
This is a seed film.
This is the sequel. And it comes. See that?
So I feel like this is what you're paying for.
Yes. So, well, these are like $6 each normally, unless it's on sale and it's like $4 or
Because
something.
this is just a plastic tray. Like you can get
Yeah.
any other plastic tray.
Okay, well, so the difference between this tray and a normal tray is that it has it raised up so that it's always
put a
off
couple
the water.
They put a couple pieces of plastic. That's all it did.
Well,
Yeah.
they put something so that it stops it from the water sitting in the water.
No, it is actually.
No, this is going to be raised up.
The fill line goes above this. See?
Yeah, but not by much.
Yes, by a quarter or a third of it. Not by much at all.
It'll still be raised up to the air a little bit.
Yeah.
And then as the water goes down, hopefully by then the roots will go down. So the roots won't. I don't know. I just know I'm hoping that makes a difference.
Something in it will. All right.
From what we do. So which one was first? Do you remember which one was first?
Nope.
I remember the
Oh, you only get 4?
No, you only get 3. But you don't remember which one of these was first.
Sorry.
I like to know which
Video
one.
camera right there.
Yeah, but it wasn't the video. Okay. Alright, so we're going to pretend that this was first the hot wasabi mustard seed quilt, energizing kale seed quilt, and the hardy broccoli. This is actually the one I really like. The hardy broccoli seed quilt. I really want to put
Do you get to pick your own? Which one you're getting?
Sometimes. This one was a knot. To get the good price.
I'm gonna say, if I were to pick mine, I would pick wheatgrass, clover, cabbage, and kale. Cabbage, kale.
Cabbage. I think there's a red cabbage too. Kale. Why kale?
That's what you picked anyways.
No, it isn't. No, it is, right. Okay.
That's what you think it was.
Like, which one did you do differently? You want the cabbage instead?
Instead of the wasabi. And also maybe
It's
Is it? It's spicy.
It is.
Sounds very spicy. I don't like spicy.
Yeah, it just adds a little bit of flavor when you toss it in into a little tiny bit of bread. And now Aita won't eat it, but you're right about that. You're right, okay, it's probably just nice for you and Aita. Alright, what was the other one you wanted? Cabbage instead of spicy stuff? Or what was the other one?
Wheatgrass. I'd have to know what's in the salad mix and zesty mix.
Right.
Assuming the zesty mix is a mixture of cabbage, chard, and wasabi. Yes. And the earthy clover and some food maybe.
Well, we hope you try it out. We're very excited. And I guess we're going to open up. Oh, which one do you want to start first? We have a broccoli, a kale, and a mustard. Now, I have some broccoli seeds that I have in the other group. Oh, you know, another thing we can do is we can switch it around. I'm going to turn this off. turn a little bit of this and cut it? Yeah, because I saw. Okay, you know what? As long as we're here, let's go ahead and open. You gonna open one?
What you're doing opening the top? Just open here. It's literally tiny, cute.
Because I don't want to. I'm worried that I'm gonna mess it up.
What do you want to do it?
We're gonna be very smooth about it. Okay, you want to open the second one because we're gonna open up the second one and cut half and half. So we can do. So maybe we could. You know what? Hold on. How does this work? Okay, you open up one too. You go ahead. Turn on.
Broccoli, and what do you? Yep, you're opening the kale, or not kale.
Yeah, because you said you didn't want to try them. We can try all three. Let me see. Let's open up two. Let's see. Oh yeah, you know what?
I have an idea. Just rip the bottom because it's ready. They have a stuffing in there.
Okay, now let's just go. Okay.
So they have this tab that you can pull up like that.
Oh, how cute!
You just go across.
Right.
We're going to leave the tab there and just tear one side of it.
Although, in the future, I think I do want to try to open it up blue, because then I can refill it. No, you already opened this one, so don't worry. Are you trying to be all petty about it? It's like the packages when you open them up, and there's some people who their Christmas presents they very carefully untie everything. That's us.
And then there's people who are just like,
That's not us. Alright. Ah!
where's yours?
Well, I'll take it. Take it all out. Take it all out.
So like there's the benny material, which looks like it's just like root fibers.
Okay, video me getting this one second.
And then
Opening mine up. Oh, there's also a piece right here. Ready? Focus. What are you doing?
aiming right at
yours or her?
right at you.
Well, aim at this.
I am aiming at
Oh.
I mean,
Hear that?
yeah, there's fancy set of it. Moving around.
Okay, if you want to do that, then I'll. Gotta learn to focus on what you're doing.
Yeah. So it's interesting that there's it's like there's almost like hot on the bottom and it's wax tape on top. I find that really interesting. I've been seeing what it's trying to do.
But now
Is
make
to-
sure you keep track, like when yours came like this, and I think you have to lay it like that.
Yeah,
I think the wax is on top,
yes, the wax on top.
and it's probably to hold moisture in.
Yeah, the wax on top to just dry on top. Water can get on top of it. But it's wet on the bottom. This soaks up the water, and this soaks a tiny bit of water. This holds water, and this soaks up water from the. Surprisingly not squishy at all. Feels like a sponge. Like it
And
feels like
that
a carpet.
supposedly is
On
one of
this
the.
side, it feels like a carpet.
So I don't think this is a coir. This is coconut coir. It might be.
That makes sense. I mean, it's like you can see through it.
Oh yeah, you can. Look, the camera shows it. You can see through.
Oh wow, yeah, we sees through a lot more.
Yeah. Than our eyes. No, I gotta just like film through this.
All right, and I'm gonna cut this one half. So have fun.
Wait, hold on. Before you do that, can you get a finished video of me looking at it? I want to do a tick. It's fun. It sounds neat. Okay. My son gets very distracted so easily. Like he'll focusing on
looking at
one
you.
thing
I'm
is
looking
so
at
much.
you.
Yes, but you're also paying attention to these scissors that he's cutting his hair with at the same time.
I'm not.
Watch the cameras up there.
I'm not cutting your hair. I'm putting here.
Yeah. Oh God, Aita would freak out. She'd be like, "Ah, God, you're gonna knife that." Alright. This is really velvet. Do you feel the texture? Velvety?
I know. Feels like cotton. Oh, it's a little cotton.
Possible.
Highly cotton.
I'm just trying to figure out how we can duplicate this ourselves. Although
Very easily.
it
Just-
might be,
just
if it does
staple
really
or-
well, then I might just do it. Okay, now
I'd
here,
like to try doing something.
What?
You get some thin fabric like this.
Yeah.
Well, actually, it's not cotton fabric. It's more like it's like a pure cotton version of a tissue wipe. Like a pure cotton, not synthetic.
and a little bit more
pure
absorbent and a little bit more.
cotton. No, it's like a pure cotton version of that. You can feel that the cotton hair is not just woven in; they're also pulled out. Pulled out to wick it. The water. I think what you should do is just take some wax paper and then staple it onto some cotton like that. And in between the staples, or in between the glue rather. Actually, yeah, do egg white glue. Just egg white glue it right there.
Very complicated.
And then put the seeds in there. Yeah, it's very complicated, and it's generally easier to spend $6 and buy a bunch of them free, or for $6. Pre-made for you. Of course, everything's doable, right?
Right.
As for the coconut wire
Uh-huh.
sponge mat thing, besides feeling really fun to step on, no, I don't know how to make that. Yeah, that yeah.
That's this you can supposedly buy. I don't know if it's exactly, but if it is
Oh, yeah,
a coconut
probably
wire
you
thing,
can buy
a
something
big
like it.
sheet of that and just
Like a coconut mat.
right. And I imagine that this is actually reusable a few times.
Probably. As long as it doesn't, like, yeah.
And I don't think it would be, so my original thought was I was going to reuse this one and put the seeds right on top. But they also have a fertilizer or something to help it grow.
Inside of here?
I'm
Or inside of the
assuming
pot?
it's in this, yeah. This is supposedly patent made, where it's got
You're just not focusing on the camera now.
and stuff in it. Thank you for calling me on it. I love you. Wow, that's so neat. We're mesmerized. Sorry for forgetting that we're an audience. Y'all are just watching in anyways. Love you. Mwah, mwah.
Yeah. Alright.
Because I think every one of these little seeds is a little plant coming out. And so you want it, like, you would think it'd be better, like, sprout it out. Because right now, like, you do this, and can you see that it all goes down? And I mean, that's not going to work. So you need it where it's all
You need
like
smaller
You see, it's really, the other
cells.
cameras aren't gonna see
Yeah,
it.
smaller cells.
Smaller cells?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Chop
so
this in
that,
half.
right. So yeah, so
Whenever I do
Hamama,
that.
if you do ever watch this review of you guys, we're putting in a request that
At the very least, chop this like into have 2/3 of this be a cell.
it came out.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, that's really great.
Well, no, well, let's see how it turns out. It'll be interesting to see how it
I
turns
wonder
out.
what the glue they use to glue it. To make the seams. The seams are obviously glue. I mean, I guess they could be
Could just be
maybe
regular glue.
like iron. Maybe they're iron. How does
Oh, that makes sense.
like you know when you
press,
yeah,
one of
when
those
you-
presses.
yeah, you know when you iron like the iron-on badges that you iron onto stuff.
Right.
No, that actually has glue in it. This can
Okay, well, whatever it is, it's going to come off easily after it gets wet, and after these push it up, because what's going to happen is the little sprouts are
Well,
going to push
no,
it up.
this my what according
Remember, it's going to just peel off, according to this.
my what happens is that the cells open up from the top, but they don't open their boundaries. They don't open the boundaries. They just open the top. But either balloons up, in which case you
Yeah.
cook it a bunch and fill up the cup. Oh wait,
It sprouts, rips,
but you can
seeds,
see that
whatever,
there is
removes, whatever.
there is still some sort of even their balloon, there's still a
Peel off the petals.
Still boundary.
basically when it presses, somehow that's gonna get pressed up, and somehow this is gonna lift up. So something makes it lift up. Like right now you can't peel it off, but something is gonna make it so it does peel off very easily. I wanna play with it.
I'm gonna cut mine in half.
Okay, so before you do that, oh, you know what? It doesn't. I was gonna say it's gonna make a difference of where it is on here, but I guess it doesn't because this is going down first.
Okay.
Right.
And we don't need to cut this in half because we just use one.
Right. Right. And so now, oh, we should have gotten 4 seed packets. That way we could do 4 different one row.
Yeah, that would be better. Can't do 3. Because well, again, we didn't have the all 4 seed option.
This particular one it didn't, but in the future we can.
Right. Refills, right? I'm thinking they should make it so that there are like 5, maybe 6 packets. If you just want to chop each one of these in half, make it 8. So if you chop each one in 2/3, you get 6. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that would make it so you could do 2 cells each. Ready?
Where are you gonna cut it?
Right here.
Something, you know what we should do is we should actually do 1 quarter this, another quarter this, another quarter the other one, and then we should do one without this at all. So I have a broccoli seed one, and just putting it there and seeing how it
Our
works.
homemade one?
Yeah, how the homemade one works.
This cell broken, so I'm going to do blue cell. Right?
Yeah. We could also do strips this way too. I like this way. Somebody keep reminding me about my posture. Sit up straight. You're finding it cutting, but I'm watching.
Okay.
We broke our scissors the other day.
We were trying to cut through some really hard thing, and they.
Hopefully
They do-
we'll show
they
you
do
the
this
video of
now.
the other thing we're making.
It's really annoying, so I'll be right back.
Wait, I'll do it. I know how to use them. I did them the other day.
Hold on, wait.
No, I honestly, I know what I'm doing. Okay, can I just try it real fast before you tighten it? Before you tighten it so I can show you that I can do it without it. Thank you. Switch. Where is it? This one.
So whenever I start, cut it off.
So, okay, so what I'm doing is I'm grabbing it.
Yeah, I know. And you hold the blades together.
I don't know if I'm holding, I think I'm pressing this one out and this one in.
Exactly, you're holding the blades together. These scissors are perfectly sharp.
Alright, I spoke too soon.
Maybe
What are you trying to press?
try to press the blades together.
Oh, you know what's hard to cut? The cotton.
It's just like this. There's too much fiber in there. It's just like.
Hold on, wait, I can do it. Just regular paper.
Hey, that's my.
Yeah, see how I do know what I'm doing.
I know what I'm
very
doing,
easy
too.
to cut. Well, yeah, but I didn't know you could have patience for it. Okay, then fine. We're gonna go need to get others.
I'm gonna get a knife.
Nice.
So I think I'll do that. It's not
Wow,
toxic, right?
that is really. Oh, I heard it. But still, very inconvenient. All right. Well, if you want to go get something else, I'll wait. You'll wait too. So, if you're watching this and you're actually hanging out with us while we watch this, and you're just think we're silly and you're still not haven't flipped over to another YouTube channel, if you say hi in the comments below, I would really appreciate it. I love you. And will you feel the love that I'm sending out and the connection and somebody is smoking a cigar. You can smell it in the air. That's one of the cool things about this is that wind. We have you can smell as the wind comes through. You smell a cigar?
Yeah, you cut some of the cake. Ready?
I don't know how I feel about what you're gonna do, but okay. Oh, sure, get the camera on you.
Easier for you to hold it. Also,
Yeah,
you
here,
broke
I
one
hold
of the seed packets.
Yeah, I felt that. Sorry. is working much better than the scissors. I guess that kind of makes sense. I'm gonna put the flash on for that.
And with all the seeds are putting in half a minute. And also I'm going to
Bright screen. I don't know if it's gonna come out any better. You know what? Whoa. You know what? Hold on. It's actually better to do it because then anything that falls into the seeds. No, I was thinking if you do it inside here, then all the seeds will fall. Of course, that's not. Never mind. Okay, never mind. I know what to do. This. Sure. Put it in here. There you go. Okay, never mind. Scratch what I need. Okay, so scratch what I need.
It's gonna work. No.
Yeah, I don't think so. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna let you try that, and maybe I'll be surprised. Do you have any really good pair of scissors you want to send to us?
This is.
Scissors. Now, will you get another different pair of scissors, please? Thank you. It's just getting darker and darker by the minute, and I wonder how much you guys can actually see. But I'm gonna give everybody another big hug because I love hugging. Not in real life, especially now it's COVID. I don't like hugging in real life anymore because I'm too terrified. But virtually and spiritually and through the airwaves and through the sound waves, sending you into wrap the arms around you and he goes back and I'm still giving you one.
Oh, that's cut much better.
Oh.
I love how smooth these cut. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2. They just go right through it.
See, proper scissors, it makes all the difference.
It just goes right through it. Like a hot scissor through cotton.
And there goes all our seeds. Put it in the seed thing immediately. That's not what I meant. I don't want to lose any seeds. Actually, I can just put them in the garden.
Alright, well, the seal came undone a bit. Seal's right? Like this one?
We can see the glue now, if there is glue.
This one?
You know what?
Are you doing it?
I don't actually think I want to. Alright, go ahead.
More?
Yeah, that's fine.
I'll be really careful this time.
Okay.
Let's go do it.
No, that's fine. We wanted to do an experiment. We wanted to do this controlled experiment. So everybody will get to see this controlled experiment. Although I think at some point I am just going to invest in getting some more of these because I think they're just really cute. And I like that it doesn't feel like, I don't throw anything away. We put zero waste. We find use for
I'm
things.
practice zero waste. I use this on the fly.
And so, like, a lot of everything here is compostable, which is
Sealed.
amazing. Awesome. Woo!
Full power of good scissors.
Yeah. And we're going to open up the last one. So what's the difference between the two scissors then?
This one's just like way sharper. Also, it's nice and tight.
Right. I'm impatient because I want to open up this other last one. And we're going to trade. And I'm going to do it where we open it up very slowly. I'm going to try to have patience with this. I'm going to entertain everybody with a song. Ooh, can you see the glue coming out? I don't know if you'll be able to.
Put the mic camera down here.
Okay, yeah, switch. Yeah, go ahead.
That's like a much better idea.
On the camera, it says go to do some stuff. Alright, that camera goes up there.
I missed the light there. Maybe get the light. Can you put it up around?
Hi. Sup?
Oh, get a picture of Aita if you can.
Hi.
And it doesn't come out.
I see her.
We love you, Aita.
I love you.
Okay, now can you see the really cool glue coming apart?
Tastes weird.
The glue? What are you eating? What? No. Freak me out.
I knew you were gonna say that. I was like, this tastes weird. I should say taste weird. Let's just say the glue.
Okay, Dad. Okay, see, this is where I run out of patience. Okay, so maybe I should try the other side then. And between the two. Mostly because I think about you guys out there watching. Wait, Eagle. I think about you guys out there watching. Don't you get bored just watching me have fun?
Just skip to the part where like we say to skip, and if I ever edit this, we may or may not edit anything.
But see, I mean, we saw this really cool waxy stuff.
Camera's like, what waxy stuff? I
You
mean,
can't
I
see
can
it at
kind
all.
of see it, but it doesn't have to be here. But here like it does.
Hey, I did it! Woohoo!
Yay.
I'm excited. Okay.
You look
Alright.
like Bobby too.
Huh?
You look like Bobby too.
Bobby, dude, who's that?
Bobby.
Why are you giving what? Does anybody else know who Bobby Duke is?
I'm the art maker. I've shown you some tons of videos before.
Oh, the cool guy. Yeah, he's
Sure.
got a lot of
The
personality.
weird guy. Yes, he has a lot
Yes,
of personality.
a lot of personality.
In 3 words, he has a lot of personality.
I don't think he would think it's a compliment if you said that I look like him. Acted like him, maybe, but
Your smile. I'm
I
excited.
hope that's a compliment.
I think so.
Can you scoot back a little bit? Thank you.
Beep, beep,
Alright, ready?
beep.
I'm gonna pull out the last one. Yeah. And where was that little thing? Oh, here it is. Oh, it's right there. Oh, shoot. Okay, wait, hold on. Which one's which? I just forgot. We don't know. We're not paying attention to that. Oh no. Okay, so wait, hold on. What is? My foot is fast asleep. Okay, so this one was with this one? Yes? I'm assuming so. Okay, so this is the kale. Put it back with the kale so we actually know. Okay, and this one is the, what is this one? What did you say? Broccoli? Broccoli seeds. Okay. Oh, so keep in track because I don't want the two broccoli seeds to be next to each other. Okay, so we have to know, how do you tell these apart? Okay, this is the one that's all scrunched up. And
Alright, which one's supposed to stretch up again?
the broccoli seeds.
Okay, this is the kale.
Yeah.
And this is the broccoli.
Right, but the broccoli seeds is the one that was over here.
Okay,
The broccoli
mine.
seeds is all scrunched up.
Mine.
What?
You open up this one. And this mine.
Yes.
Oh, can't hold, please. Okay. You open up this one.
Yeah.
And the one that I opened up was the one we first cut. So these are those.
Oh, I see. Okay, got it.
Because the ones we opened up second is the ones you opened up.
Right.
The ones we cut second.
Right.
We cut with good scissors.
Okay.
And it's the
Yeah.
edge,
I
which was the kale.
Oh, my foot is so fast asleep.
Okay, if you stop complaining then.
I like confused.
You sound like I if I had to actually talk.
She does talk.
Yeah,
Posture,
but like
by the way.
about
Just
a self-awareness.
posture, yeah, she actually had self-awareness. Yes. Really self-secure. Here's this video. Well, I love you, Aita, wherever you are.
cricket.
Okay. Alright, put that. So we're gonna do. Ready to back to focus on this? Put this to the side. Impatient mommy. Okay, so wait, you said the broccoli is the scratched up one, then the kale is gonna be the next one, and then we're gonna do this wasabi mustard, and then we're gonna put in the last little bit. We're gonna put. Actually, you know what? Before we do that, I want to just see real fast. You know what? I peel off. Oh, the seeds are very good. Oh, that one. I just wanted to see. Okay, so this goes flush, right? Of course. I just want to see my brain. Okay, so it doesn't go all the way to the edge. That's what I wanted to. Oopsies. That's what I wanted to show, is that it doesn't go all the way to this edge. goes partway. So you can have a hole.
Yeah, so you can like pick it up.
Theoretically, cut two. No. If you ever get your own strips, you could make it go all the way across, and then you would have that much more growing space. But then again, you also got to keep in mind that these roots are going to like go.
Yeah. You want space that for the water that's not on the plant.
And that's
And also the picket.
Right. Okay. Alright. So do I get to do this last one with the Okay, my scissors. My turn. Why are you hitting me this?
Sorry. Yeah.
No, I'm trying to cut the scissors, not the camera. I want to cut it right down the middle. Can I cut it right down the middle?
No.
Why not?
It's work.
Thank you. I love my son. He lets me do fun things. He lets me get away with so much. I love you. I love everybody. No, not everybody. There's somebody. You gotta see his smile. You don't see his smile? Alright, whatever. I need light!
Sorry.
We're doing this wrong time of day. Alright.
Well, actually, we're not doing the wrong time of day. We're doing the wrong time of
Night!
evening.
Can you please let me have a light? He moves the camera around so much. Okay, back up a second, please. Thank you. Alright, let's get fun out of it.
Thank you. I thought we were leaving home.
No. Because I wanna, I don't know. Well, because you don't like wasabi anyway. I just wanted to have
You got the tattoo thing, so I count one thing. Twice. Bye.
Hey, no, you had fun with the first one too.
Exactly.
Oh, I see you're making fun of me. Okay, I'm gonna do one of the, so this is a middle one. So we're kind of doing two experiments, two variables. Middle versus,
Sure.
and then we're gonna do our own seeds. We're gonna create our own, so we'll have to edit that later. And we'll put this all under some folder and edit it. We're horrible at editing, so this may be forever before.
Precious. She's horrible at editing.
Right.
And I have too much stuff in my plate to
Right.
bother editing.
Right. That's the reason why we mostly just give you the whole thing, even though it's a freaking hour long. Do you want to edit it for us and then send it back to us? You know, let's talk. And say, do you want to edit it for us? This is the problem about doing it this way. But all the rest. Okay. We'll give you the whole thing unedited. You can't see anything. Jeez, rude. My son's rude. I love you though. I'm glad that you're rude. Somebody who's like, no, I can't. Yeah. Huh? And what gets exposed, of course. That's true, it's good. I was like, cover your legs, cover your legs. Yes. If I show anything, alright, this one is the wasabi. Put it in there. Which side went?
Don't bother. Which way? Just put it in. Yeah.
I'm hungry. Let's go eat. Oh, you do this. Oh no. Oh, yeah. Let's go together. Everything's flying away. It's windy out.
I'd say go away wind, but I actually like the wind.
I like
so,
the wind. Everybody lay back on the grass and stretch. Look up at the trees. Too bad we're not doing this daytime. You can look at the trees. I would aim up and you could watch the trees blowing in the wind.
Just make a video. You know those hour-long fireplace videos?
Yeah, now we're
Just
launching
make it
absolutely.
hour-long, the trees in the wind. The problem is the wind doesn't stay constant. It doesn't even actually happen on and off for hours or anything. It just like comes in bursts. It's gone.
The best
With
way
wind.
to do that is that tree in the park. That one is a lot of fun. Our trees are too high up. Which I would show you, but we can't because it's a nighttime. I started this too late, even though I said I was going to do it in the end.
But then
Oh well. Next time, next video, we'll do that. Maybe we'll bring it out later when it's the next stage when we edit together. And if I just use that, she's gonna be like, "You're playing with the scissors." All right, we love you. Subscribe, everybody. Stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully, we'll post this at some point. So much love. Everybody, be nice to each other. Check your posture, eagle. Stretch, everyone. Arms above your heads. Rest, relax. Hey, oh, and I'm gonna create this thing so that you can call us up if you want to, and we will like send you through a relaxation, or you can just have a conversation with us, or you could join us on one of these things. We'll do a YouTube with a little camera there, and I don't know, just different ways of where we can be more connected. Although you will have to pay money for that.
Our time is still worth something.
Hopefully to you it is. It'll be an extra treat. So make sure you're subscribed on patreon.com/KEE. Sending $1 a month so that we can get some more seed packets if you want us to have that, or if you want us to send you something. Well, we'd like to do that too, but we haven't figured out how that's all going to work yet. King Eagle. Ouch. Okay. Say goodnight.
Good night. And as always, thanks for watching. And remember, just breathe.
Alright. We'll turn off those cameras in a little bit. Oh,
I
I
love
missed
that.
the light. I need the light. I feel like I'm blind. Putting it all away. What's that? What is that?
Save the grass too.
Ooh.
Just for shits and giggles.
And remember, if you, oh, by the way, if we're still watching, make sure that you, that's really scary to watch. I got distracted from what I was going to say.
Make sure you what?
You continue to be like the barbarian.
No.
Huntsman, one of the warriors. I looks cool. The show that I watch. You'll see one of the warrior hunters on the show. What was I going to say? Oh, make sure that you subscribe to, or not subscribe to that, yes. Make sure you're subscribed to, but also make sure you use our link, please.
Make sure you don't subscribe.
Make sure that you please, if you get this, that you please sign up on using our link. Please.
We got a tiny bit of money.
So we just try to survive because we're gonna try to make a living sharing our lives with you. If that's even possible. But we'd like to do that.
So it wouldn't be.
Alright.
Okay. And as always, make sure to do a stretch, check your posture, and grow your own greens.
Yes, grow your own greens. Alright, you gonna turn off all those cameras?
Bye. Say hi.